it's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S giving you another reaction. Today we are with Aidonia. Yes, Lord Evil himself. Yes. Jenna. Fourth Jenna. With lele. That's a lele. Yo, you know what I mean? Fuck it. I'm going to have video. I'm going to waste some more time. You know what I mean? Yes. Stop it. Calm down. Yes. I don't know with lele. Let's go.
One inch a body and a body that. She say 2 inch a body and a body that.
She say
big man in a your mickle and a hoodie guard. Girl, sit down. Sit down.
Good pum, girl, take a sip on the tip of the top of the cock. Make your wet, no the tip of the top of the cock. Back way where you want to cock up your back. Say she want it harder, me no fi stop. Little pink pussy cocky blacker than a harawak. Me make it sit in a can on a hammer knock. She say me dark and slim but me talawa. What you want, galawa? She want the long body la la lang, lele. She want the long body la la lang, lele. You can't stand the la la lang, lele. She want the long body la la lang, lele. Up in a the belly, la la lang, lele. She want the long body la la lang, lele. You can't stand the la la lang, lele. She want the long body la la lang, lele. Up in a the belly,
Hold on, man. This reminds me of one of Aidonia's classics. The classic daggering song that Aidonia have. You got the proper uku and a 5, 10, 15, 20. All them sang there. Dog. Daggering song. Here's the next one added to the list. Aidonia, let's go again.
She say 1 inch a body and a body that. She say 2 inch a body and a body that. Big man in a your mickle and a hoodie guard. Girl, sit down.
Good pum, girl, take a sip on the tip of the top of the cock. Make your wet, no the tip of the top of the cock. Back way where you want to cock up your back. Say she want it harder, me no fi stop. Little pink pussy cocky blacker than a harawak. Me make it
Little pink pussy cocky blacker than a harawak. Woo! Yeah, let's go.
She want it harder, me no fi stop. Little pink pussy cocky blacker than a harawak. Me make it sit in a can on a hammer knock. She say me dark and slim but me talawa. What you want, galawa? She
say me dark and slim but me talawa. You know this famous saying Jamaican say, me little but me talawa. Yeah, she say me dark and slim but me talawa. Me chang.
In a can on a hammer knock. She say me dark and slim but me talawa. What you want, galawa? She want the long body la la lang, lele. She want the long body la la lang, lele. You can't stand the la la lang, lele. She want the long body la la lang, lele. Up in a the belly, la la lang, lele. She want the long body la la lang, lele. You can't stand the la.
So him fine. And next saying again when putting on different well the same saying when bringing over on different song. Let me say you can't stand it. Yeah, from the other song, yeah, pan the streetwise with him, he bring it out so nice.
She want the long body la la lang, lele. You can't stand the la la lang, lele. She want the long body la la lang, lele. Up in a the belly, Y'all know say me a beg you, some of you come in. Yeah, this is me a defend and a rudiga. If you see it tight, me a come in, you come in. You nah see me no pen when no bullina. Y'all nah look sun.
Yeah man, you nah see no bullpen man. You nah see no pen when no bullina. What I'm to your dog?
No say me a beg you, some of you come in. Yeah, this is me a defend and a rudiga. If you see it tight, me a come in, you come in.
A defend and a rudiga, defender. Yo. Aidonia, bro. Aidonia is fucking Aidonia, dog.
Kumina, yeah, this is me a defend and a rudiga. If you see it tight, me a come in, you come in. You nah see me no pen when no bullina. Y'all in a little sundress, so me pull it up. She cock it up, when me should be your fish should be back. Can you quint up me something? Can you do me that? What you want for your pussy cat? She want the long body la la lang, lele. She want the long body la la lang, lele. You can't stand the la la lang, lele.
Yo, Shelly Belly, I work still enough. Yo, Shelly Belly, big up yourself in the dog. I don't think you get enough flowers where if you get in my fam. Yo, you're a legend at this, you know, Shelly. Dog, you're a legend at this, brother. Shelly Belly, I work your fuck. Never drop no catch.
She want the long body, la la lang, le 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 le. You can't stand the la la lang, le 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 le. She want the long body, la la lang, le 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 le. Up inna the belly, le le la la lang, le 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 le. She want the long body, la la lang, le 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 le. You can't stand the la la lang, le 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 le. She want the long body, la la lang, le 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 le. Up inna the belly, le le. You have a grip, you have a grip, you have a grippy glue. Cute face and you're pretty too. Feel good when me inna your miggle, ooh. Girl, you a mad me, that's how your kitty do. But me have to keep it cool. Girl say she want star in a little blues. See your star get wild from your sippy booze. She say your big foot size have to fill the shoes. She want the long body, la la lang.
Blood clot Ninja Kid. Me see that clip here when them in the studio and Ninja Kid did a fart here. Ninja Kid, big up yourself, G.
From your sippy booze. She say your big foot size have to fill the shoes. She want the long body, la la lang, le 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 le. She want the long body, la la lang, le 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 le. You can't stand it.
So what them do, because the part where in the studio do the part that went viral was funny at the time. Them actually bring him and put him in the video and say, yo, do the part again. Ninja Kid, you fuck him, man, yeah? Big up yourself.
The long body, la la lang, le 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 le. She want the long body, la la lang, le 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 le. You can't stand the la la lang, le 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 le. She want the long body, la la lang, le 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 le. Up inna the belly, le le la la lang, le 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 le. She want the long body, la la lang, le 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 le. You can't stand the la la lang, le 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 le. She want the long.
Yo, what shall the belly you do?
The long body, la la lang, le 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 le. You can't stand the la la.
What shall the blood clot belly you do? Shelly belly.
Lang, le 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 le. She want the long body, la la lang, le 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 le. Up inna the belly, le le.
Blood clot Barbara. Le. Yeah, the drum on that, man. Yeah, Diddy, big up yourself, Extreme Arts, big up. Diddy, big up yourself, what can I say, man? What can I say? Big up the females them in the video we are represent. So this one here, I gotta be one of the classic them I got forward in a Aidonia catalog, brother. You see me? Yeah, big up yourself, Diddy. Shelly Belly, you work. Like we said in the video, you work, bro. And you've been working for all these years, bro. A long time. You know, Shelly Belly, you working a dog. Long time, you know. You see me from Bogle them days and the G still are relevant in a dog. I represent you, you know. Yeah, man. Daggering King, that man. And Shelly Belly, that man. Yeah. Big up yourself. This time I'm going to leave the one. Still, if you enjoy that one, I want to see more from your G. Yeah. If you want to see some more, Aidonia, click on any one of them two videos. We have circle over my head right now. And just watch them. You see me? Yeah, but I'll catch you guys in the next one, man. Long.
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf with the baddest. And it's a rip connect.